So welcome to another deep dive here in the prevention section of the Predicta GUARDIAN suite by Dairy Data Warehouse. Again, we're looking at cows of a 600 cow herd. We're seeing cows that are dried off, have been dried off recently, and main alarms here in this herd are ketosis and mastitis. And I would like to take a look at one specific cow, this cow here. It's interesting, this animal, because it's her 6th parity now and her expected yield is rather attractive. More than 12,000 liters in 305 days, so that's something. I've prepared a look into this specific animal. And what we can see is here an overview of the historical data of this animal. And I think it is it's an interesting animal, right? So what we see is, first of all, in the past, only one health event, and this has been rather late. And if we go on this health event here, we can see that this animal has had mastitis in the middle of the lactation, more or less, which is rather, special. A lot of heat stress in summer, not really surprising. Group changes, here, a total of 9 group change events, which is a lot, and 3 inseminations. All 3 inseminations just here in the summer area in periods of heat stress. And you could say that this is rather surprising that it is only 3 inseminations. So a first quick look at this animal, and I would like to dive deeper into this animal in the next video.